have a wonderful morning to all of you. It's really cold weather, so I have put on this winter cloth, and this is morning time. You know already that I have come here in Kulkandi village under Moimilsing division to visit the place. And behind me there are lots of people. Actually, they are honorable farmers. Farmers, they are waiting. Actually, over there the boat is coming forward and we're having a great time. I have to go over there to make videos. This is my main purpose because you can get cauliflower, chili, you can get cabbage, you can get nut plantation over there. There is this kind of plantation are available. So at any cost I have to go over there and the boat is coming. So I will try my best to upload my all of videos here. So stay connected and don't forget to watch my videos.